Well, the big break you may have expected to get this winter with your electric bill is not going to happen. TXU's Energy's full 24% rate increase is effective this month. Stephanie Turner joins us now with the latest on this story. Stephanie.
Sharon, if you're a TXU customer, get ready to shell out about $30 more on electric bills each month. That's what the rate hike amounts to, but you may be able to save money by shopping around. Just last year, TXU raised rates 12%, but starting this month, customers will feel the full 24%. But you may be able to pay less by switching your electric provider, and you can do that by logging onto a website like powertochoose.org. All you have to do is type in your zip code and browse the providers and the average cost per month.
Looking in the Waco-Woodway area, we've seen certain companies that actually charge more than TXU. We've seen some companies that are charging up to 8% less than what you would actually pay for with TXU. So there are options out there.
MCC economics instructor David Davenport says choose 3 providers, then look into them by doing a little more research. And don't think just because you choose a different provider, TXU won't fix the power lines if something happens.
What you're contracting with these companies for is the electricity itself. The power lines that come into your house actually come from TXU delivery. So if you go with Company X instead of TXU, TXU delivery is still actually bringing in the electricity.
Fortunately, so far this month, the weather has been nice to where you probably haven't been running a lot of electricity. But Davenport says eventually customers will notice the difference.
Electricity that people are using might have gone down, but remember, if the prices are going up, you may not see a drop in your utility bill, but your bill just didn't go up as high as it probably could have.
And according to TXU officials, increases on your electric bill have gone up about 180% since January of 2002. Despite the rate hikes, many Texans have decided to stay with TXU. 74% of residential companies still remain with the power company. Gordon.